Welcome back. Another cooking video. Recipe for today: some Jamaican jerk chicken, rice and peas, normal Sunday day dinner. So I'm gonna show you how I prepare my recipe. I'm gonna show you all of my ingredients I use and thing in my recipe. So starting by boiling my peas and thing. I'm gonna show you when I wash it. But some garlic in here and some ginger. So the coconut there is a normal dry bone. So the chicken they season up. From last week coconut ox and thing I wash them off. Some running water. I'm going to show you how I blend it and thing now. Yes, so then the blender add some water to it. So I'm going to blend it till it turn coconut milk. Right, so I'm going to show you step by step how I prepare my recipe. So I'm cover the blender and start to blend my coconut. Another update on the peas again. See the chicken there, you can see it. That season from last week and thing. Right, so you know, so it's an in and out video, outside and inside. So I add some browning to give it some color. I don't want it to turn black, I don't want it to turn white, right? So please watch the video to the end, like and share, leave a comment. So the recipe is eatable, tasteable. So you know, it's a normal Sunday cooking, normal rice and peas and jerk chicken. Remember, Jamaican cooking at lumberjack, yeah. So you know, so I start rub the chicken and thing with the browning and see quality of the beautiful of the chicken and thing there. And the peas are bubble right there. See coconut juice, well juice out and put on. But at the green season, if you go in rice and peas, scallion and pepper and thing, well, you know, say, now I add my coconut juice to the peas now because the peas cook and thing. So please make the peas soft. Cook the peas till they get soft. Don't put the tough peas in the rice. So I put in the green season and thing, you can see. Presentation, put in some spice, some salt. So everything combined together, taste and flavor. So I have some normal barbecue sauce right here. Homemade style, so I have a little browning to color, taste and flavor. I have some spice like secret. Yeah, so see chicken there now, you can see plantains are outside, in and out. So see the jerk pan there now, catch and thing. Simple, natural. You know, so lumberjack creative, so we cook on anything, right? So please make the grill hot, that the chicken not itch up and stick up. So you know, so the grill hot and thing now, so guys. So I put on the chicken pan it and thing, you can see right there, yeah. So I cover it down, you can go and catch color. So I have some plantain fry right here. Nice presentation, eatable, delicious plantain. And see plantain them fry till they get golden brown and thing, ready to eat. You can see the presentation. Another update on the chicken again. You can see what I go on. Yeah. So starting by turning my chicken down, but at the first I flip it. So I go show it look like now and thing. Yeah. You know lumberjack creative and thing, so flip the chicken. See well burn, brown and thing there, yeah, in a burn up and nothing. You can see the presentation, quality. And see another update again on the chicken and thing there, yeah. So starting by flip it again. So I add some sauce on the chicken. Whenever show no, when I put the sauce on the chicken, you can see the presentation again, see them there, right? So another flip, I go flip it again because I want to soak right through. I don't want the para, right? Yeah. So another update again. You can see the presentation brown and crispy, nice, tasteable. So you know, say rice and peas Sunday dinner ready, jerk chicken. You can see the presentation, the fried plantain, rice and peas. Remember Jamaican cooking, lumberjack. So I'm going to eat the food and thing. You can see the presentation of the plate and thing. So I'm starting by eat some of the rice. Yeah. So I'm going to taste the chicken and thing now. The chicken nice, it's delicious. Eatable, tastable. I enjoy it. Yeah, so I'm going to eat the plantain and thing again. I'm going to eat some more of the rice. So you know, please remember to like and share and subscribe also.